Have you seen the weird alien doorway on Mars image that went viral on social media? It was sent back by NASA's Curiosity rover on May 7, 2022, as it traveled through the red planet's Mount Sharp region. It wasn't, of course, anything of the sort, merely a crevice resulting from natural erosion. But in the wake of that image, both of NASA's rovers, Curiosity and Perseverance, have been sending back some fascinating and unexpected images. Among the images are some of the most extraordinary rock formations and even some space litter. So, let's talk about these. Welcome to Space World. In today's video, we are going to talk about latest images released by NASA's Mars rover that have shocked the scientists. So, if you want to know more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. The Perseverance rover has been searching the dusty and rocky landscape of Mars's Jezero Crater for signs of life since it landed last year. But now, NASA's Perseverance Mars rover is sending back stunning images as it explores an ancient river delta in Jezero Crater for signs of life. This alien landscape looks like a film set, but these are real pictures taken by NASA's Perseverance rover. Since landing on Mars in February 2021, Perseverance has been scouring the Martian landscape for signs of microbial life by taking samples, measurements, and photographs. The rover has been exploring Jezero Crater, a 28-mile-wide depression created by an impact, and the site once hosted an ancient river. During its journey, Perseverance has sent back some incredible images from Mars, which have become some of the memorable photos taken by Perseverance over the past year. According to NASA, there are more than 215,000 images captured on Mars over the past 12 months, and NASA has an Images of the Week gallery that shares some of the public's favorite images. Now, the very first question is, how is Perseverance taking such amazing photos? Perseverance has a number of onboard cameras to help with a variety of tasks, including visual assistance during the descent and landing, navigating around Mars, analyzing core samples, and, of course, taking pictures and videos. Let's take a quick look at some of the cameras that helped capture our favorite images. Mastcam Z. This pair of cameras takes color images and video, 3D stereo images, and has a powerful zoom lens. Mastcam Z consists of two duplicate camera systems mounted on the mast that stands up from the rover deck. The cameras are next to each other and point in the same direction, providing a 3D view similar to what human eyes would see, only better. SuperCam. SuperCam fires a laser at mineral targets that are beyond the reach of the rover's robotic arm, and then analyzes the vaporized rock. SuperCam fires laser pulses at pinpoint areas smaller than 1 millimeter from more than 20 feet away. Its camera and spectrometers then examine the rock's chemistry. One of our favorite pictures is a selfie that Perseverance took with ingenuity. To take a selfie, Perseverance's robotic arm has to twist around to different angles and take multiple pictures that are stitched together. So, the strange pictures taken by Perseverance's cameras probably formed over millions of years of geological activity related to that river in a buildup of rocks and sediment called a delta. This area is a likely candidate for evidence of ancient life if it existed. Adding to this, it is a golden age for high-fidelity photos of Mars because in addition to Perseverance, NASA's Ingenuity helicopter is documenting the landscape of the Jezero region from above, while China's Zhurong rover is exploring the Utopia Planitia plain to the east. But these photos are a sideshow to Perseverance's main mission, to document the Martian landscape and see whether it could have hosted life. It has already made some important scientific discoveries, such as uncovering the history of Jezero's rocks and water using its ground-penetrating radar and measuring the speed of sound in the Martian atmosphere. But in today's video, we will only focus on these strange images. Now that we know how Perseverance is doing its magic, let's discuss some of the amazing images of Mars taken by the rover that will blow your mind. The balanced rock and the snakehead. NASA's Mars Perseverance rover acquired this image using its right Mastcam Z camera. Taken on June 12, this image shows a rock balancing precariously on another and a snakehead in an area nicknamed Hogwallow Flats by NASA engineers. Although it looks really scary at the first glance, both are likely the result of weathering and wind erosion. The Space Litter. On Monday, June 13, NASA's Perseverance rover snapped a photo of a shiny silver object wedged between two rocks on the floor of the red planet's Jezero Crater, which the car-sized robot has been exploring since its February 2021 touchdown. This space trash is not native to Mars. Perseverance hauled it from Earth, the rover's handlers said. My team has spotted something unexpected. It's a piece of a thermal blanket that they think may have come from my descent stage, the rocket-powered jetpack that set me down on landing day back in 2021. Perseverance team members wrote via the rover's Twitter. That shiny bit of foil is part of a thermal blanket, a material used to control temperatures. It's a surprise finding this year. My descent stage crashed about 2 kilometers, 1.2 miles away. Did this piece land here after that, or was it blown here by the wind? They added in another tweet, which featured a close-up of the blanket bit. After seeing this picture, scientists have started thinking about the space junk, which is a growing concern for space agencies. SID. A new batch of photos from the space agency's Perseverance rover introduces us to SID, the latest Mars rock that's been selected for sampling as part of NASA's mission to learn more about the planet and its geological history. The rover's date with SID marks something of a milestone, as it's likely to be the last sample collected before Perseverance moves on to a new, previously unvisited location. I took out my abrasion tool again for a look inside my next rock target. A tweet from NASA, written as per usual in the voice of the rover, reads, Mars is starkly beautiful on its surface, and even more interesting underneath. SID sits inside the Jezero Crater, the location on Mars where Perseverance landed in February 2021. It's one of a type of Mars rock that NASA has dubbed Ch'al, which is the Navajo word for frog. These Ch'al rocks are found in a particular area of the crater, which is believed to have once housed a body of water that NASA calls Santa Cruz, and that location is scientifically significant because it may be a remnant of Jezero's western delta, which is the next stop on the rover's journey. So SID is an example of higher-standing boulder that possibly represents a unique geologic chapter in the crater floor history that we have not yet sampled. Purdue University student collaborator Brad Garzinski wrote for NASA. He added, SID was settled on as the rock of choice after weeks of discussion between the science team and rover planners. So, coming to the conclusion, Mars is a beautiful planet if we look at it more closely. It may seem like a dusty red planet on the top, but this place holds great many secrets buried under its sand. Now, with the help of future missions to Mars, we will discover what has been hidden from our eyes for so long, and it's going to mark a new era of space exploration. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share your views with us in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos about space. And thank you for watching.